for those investors out there who are watching us this morning who have cash on the sidelines, who are waiting, thinking that there's a bottom, or they're trying to pick the bottom, which is almost an impossible task to begin with, what are you telling them they should be doing?
So I say you're not going to be able to pick the bottom. Whatever cash you have, divided over 5 installments, so the notion of averaging into the market, and make sure, if you really want to go in at this point, I wouldn't, but if you really want to go in at this point, do a fifth now, a fifth next month. I know it's not very sophisticated, but no one can tell you for sure how these dynamics are going to evolve. We simply have not seen this before.
Hey, Mohamed, can we go back to that point you were just making, the idea that this is going to become a liquidity issue for a lot of companies that are out there? I don't think we've spent enough time on this, and I think that's kind of like the ugly undercurrent that's rolling through all of this. We may have seen this initial drop-off and this initial sell. If we can get back to normal quickly, maybe some of these businesses are okay. But I think there are a lot of companies that have taken on debt, a lot of things that have happened. And with this sudden stoppage, it changes the picture for everything.
You're absolutely right, Becky. So there's 2 groups of company, broadly speaking. There are those that have access to debt, and they are taking on a ton of debt. We've had record investment-grade issuance. We've even had some high-yield issuance. And they are building a ton of cash buffers, which they should. But when they come out, their earning power is going to be less. So their credit worthiness is going to be weaker. And on the other side, you have companies who unfortunately do not have access to loans or to debt issuance. And for them, a liquidity problem will become a solvency issue, which means a reversible shock will become a permanent capital impairment shock. So wherever you look, we're going to have to price in a different post-crisis landscape. And that's one of the 4 things that, as yet, markets haven't got their arms around. They will, but unfortunately, it means lower valuations from here.